Hi everybody! For this Mother's Day, I'm going to take over this flat earth video from my husband. Yes, I'm married to Ben and we've been married for 19 years, and I've been there for nearly all of Taboo conspiracy tests and observations. I am a mother, we have 4 children, and we're expecting another one. I'm much too busy to keep up with all of the flat earth videos going on, and I'm not as obsessed as my husband. But I'm here to say that we mothers also support the flat earth and hate the globe lie. For me, it's pretty obvious that we live on a flat earth, but this video will provide proof that we don't live on a twirling ballerina ball zipping around in the vacuum of space. For this video, our Florida friend Wide Awake had his camera at this Pine Island location. Here are the coordinates. As you can see, his camera was set really low and was only 28 inches above the calm ocean water. At 28 inches under the official globe model, the horizon must not be further than 1.9 miles. That's the maximum distance to the horizon because that's assuming a perfect glass-like ball with no waves, which obviously doesn't exist in reality. The 2 racks we're going to examine in this video are the Bayport Channel entrance light and Cutter Rock. You can see the coordinates here on this Hernando Beach Waterways brochure. The Bayport Channel entrance light was 3.49 miles away from the camera, and Cutter Rock was a huge 11.24 miles away. When you put in camera height and distances in the curvature calculator, you can see that the Bayport Channel entrance light should be slightly covered by the alleged curvature in the amount of 1.8 feet. Cutter Rock should be hidden completely since 59 feet should be hidden, and Cutter Rock is only 16 feet high. Let's check out the video evidence. This is the Bayport Channel entrance light. Not much of the rack should be hidden by the curvature, but that's not the point. Remember that the maximum horizon distance under the globe was supposed to be 1.9 miles away, but this rack is 3.49 miles away. Can you guess how much of the rack is actually hidden by the globe curvature? A, 5 feet, B, 2 feet, or C, no curvature present. I hope most of you guessed C for the no curvature present, because that is the obvious right answer. Why is that question so simple? There's a boat, although compressed, that's further away and higher up, prospectively. Therefore, we know without a doubt that the horizon is much further than 3.49 miles, and that none of the Bayport rack is being obstructed by an imaginary curvature. Here's a long exposure picture taken of the Bayport Channel entrance light at the same camera height but with better detail. A boat is still further away than the rack, providing that the horizon is much further than the ball Earth allows. Just look at how far away that horizon is. It's many miles further. Do you think that refraction has some magical properties to cause the horizon to disappear in front of the rack and then reappear many miles further than the rack, all without telltale visible signs? I think that's crazy. This next video segment is showing Cutter Rock, which was over 11 miles away. We can't see as much detail in this video, but clearly the top light of Cutter Rock is visible, but the rack is only 16 feet high. The globe model says that 59 feet should be hidden behind the curvature, and that's assuming a glass-like ball, which doesn't exist in reality. Do you not see that there's a huge problem with the globe model and why we flat earthers keep trying to get you to open your eyes to the truth? We've been lied to. Now this photograph of Cutter Rock taken from the same spot is more impressive. Remember that Cutter Rock was supposed to be 11.24 miles away, and you can even see Cutter Rock's light reflection on the flat water. But what is that behind the light? The horizon is beyond Cutter Rock. That's further than 11.24 miles when the horizon was supposed to be no further than 1.9 miles. That also means that none of Cutter Rock is being hidden by a globe bulge of water. Do you think the horizon disappeared in front of the Bayport Channel entrance light rack and then reappeared behind Cutter Rock? I'm sorry, but the flat earth is real, or the earth has a diameter of hundreds of thousands of miles, which would be as big of a conspiracy against us. I hope that you've learned a little about the flat earth and horizons and are able to discern liars like National Geographic, as shown in this short clip.
At first, all the stripes are clearly visible. But sure enough, as the boat reaches the horizon, the stripes begin to disappear one by one.
It's pretty amazing. You can actually see it pretty clearly with this camera here. And you see that the red stripe that was at the bottom has completely disappeared, and it's now getting closer to sort of the middle green stripe, that is.
So we've lost about 1.5 stripes.
Right. So this can only happen, why?
Because of the curvature of the Earth.
There's no dispute. The horizon is beyond the boat, and so none of the flag is being obscured by the supposed imaginary curvature. Mothers don't like liars, and National Geographic is a despicable liar. On behalf of all mothers everywhere, shame on you, National Geographic.
You liar!
To all of you flat earth mothers and wives, please love your flat earth husband despite his issues, because he could be a pathetic, know-it-all globie, and who can stand that? Happy Mother's Day, and may the good Lord bless you all.